Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast where we explore the wonders of the universe and all the exciting developments in space technology. I'm your host, Carl, and I'm thrilled to have you join us today. We've got a fantastic show lined up for you, filled with news, insights, and analysis from the world of space exploration. To start us off, let's talk about one of the most anticipated events in the space industry, the launch of SpaceX's Starship V3. This massive reusable rocket is designed to take both people and cargo to the Moon, Mars, and other destinations in the solar system. But what makes it so special? For starters, its capacity to carry large payloads into orbit could revolutionize the way we access space. Imagine being able to launch multiple satellites or even entire space stations with a single rocket. It's a game changer. But Starship V3 is not just about capacity, it's also about cost. SpaceX is promising to bring down the price of launching objects into space by an order of magnitude, making it possible for companies and governments to achieve their goals without breaking the bank. And with NASA planning to use Starship for its Artemis program, which aims to return humans to the Moon by 2025, the stakes are high. The success of Starship V3 is crucial not just for SpaceX, but also for the entire space industry. Many companies are counting on it to become available for commercial purposes, and NASA's lunar ambitions rely heavily on its success. So, what happens if something goes wrong? Well, that's a topic for another segment, but suffice it to say that the pressure is on. As we wait with bated breath for the launch of Starship V3, we can't help but wonder what the future holds for space exploration. Will SpaceX be able to deliver on its promises? How will other companies respond to the challenge? And what does this mean for the average person who's interested in space? We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat, folks. We're excited to dive into our middle segment today, where we'll be exploring the fascinating world of space exploration. You know, it's amazing how certain experiences can shape our lives and inspire us to reach for the stars. For NASA Administrator Jared Isaacman, attending space camp as a 12-year-old was one such experience that sparked his passion for aviation and space travel. As we just heard, Isaacman has returned to space camp multiple times, sharing his story and inspiring the next generation of space enthusiasts. And now, with his generous donation of $10 million in 2022 and an additional $15 million, a new state-of-the-art facility has been opened, the Inspiration 4 Skills Training Complex. This 47,000-square-foot facility is equipped with cutting-edge technology, including a parachute simulation room, drone lab, and interactive mission control. But what's even more exciting is the impact that NASA's Artemis II mission has had on space camp registrations. With the successful completion of the lunar flyby mission in April, registrations have doubled this summer. It's clear that the magic of space exploration is still captivating the hearts and minds of young people everywhere. As Isaacman said during the ribbon-cutting event, off the success of Artemis II, America's return to the Moon is just getting going. And with Space Camp leading the way and inspiring the next generation of space enthusiasts, we can't wait to see what the future holds. Welcome back to Star Chat. As we continue our journey through the cosmos, we find ourselves pondering the age-old question, how can we make space travel more affordable? The answer, much like the universe itself, is complex and multifaceted. But today, we're going to explore a fascinating proposal that could potentially make moon travel a tad less expensive. Imagine embarking on a cosmic journey where the fuel costs are significantly reduced, allowing us to carry more payload, conduct more research, and ultimately push the boundaries of human knowledge. Scientists have discovered a new route from Earth's orbit to the Moon's, which utilizes a gravitational balance point called the L1 Lagrange point. This celestial pit stop, situated between our planet and the Moon, enables spacecraft to save at least 58.80 meters per second of fuel compared to previous routes. While this number may seem modest, it translates to a substantial reduction in fuel consumption, which is music to the ears of space agencies and private companies alike. So, how did the researchers stumble upon this more economical route? they employed a mathematical framework called the theory of functional connections, which dramatically reduces the computing power needed to simulate spacecraft trajectories. This allowed them to run an astonishing 30 million different route simulations, increasing the chances of finding a more fuel-efficient path. And find it, they did. The most cost-effective route takes advantage of a gravity assist by passing close to the Moon first, which may seem counterintuitive, but it's a testament to the complexity and beauty of celestial mechanics. The L1 Lagrange point pit stop offers another significant advantage. Once a spacecraft enters this intermediate orbit, it can maintain its position indefinitely using a control system, waiting until the mission is ready to proceed to lunar orbit. This ensures continuous communication with both Earth and the Moon, a crucial aspect of space exploration. By incorporating the Sun's gravitational influence into their simulations, researchers believe they can unlock even greater fuel savings, although this would require careful planning and precise launch timing. As we look to the future, with hundreds of space missions on the horizon, a more fuel-efficient route to the Moon could have a profound impact on our collective endeavors. It's a reminder that the pursuit of scientific knowledge and innovation is an ongoing journey, one that requires creativity, perseverance, and a willingness to challenge conventional thinking. As we strive to push the boundaries of space exploration, let us not forget the importance of responsible stewardship of our planet and its resources. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.